Back Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. We have some chicken, going to season up, starting by some vinegar, some running water. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I open the chicken in two to clean out the waste inside. So you know, so I'm gonna jerk the chicken and thing. So I'm gonna show you how step by step how I prepare my recipe. Right? So I'm wash out the chicken, some vinegar water. So I'm going to blend some season, onion, garlic, pimento, thyme, scallion, some seasoning. So this is the way me make my homemade jerk seasoning, right? So I'm add some browning. Also, I'm add some vinegar. I'm going to add some water to it. So this is the way me make my real Jamaican authentic jerk seasoning. I put some Maggi all-purpose seasoning because I want my chicken to taste nice and flavor. So I'm starting by blending my seasoning, right? So please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I'm blend my seasoning and thing now. You can see the seasoning blend up, ready. Chicken wash with vinegar and things. So I'm starting by pouring my season. So I'm going to massage my chicken. I want the season go right through, right? So I'm going to season my chicken overnight, make it stay till a morning, one day. So I'm starting massage my chicken and thing. Remember, jerk chicken. The recipe are eatable, tastable, finger licking. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment. I'm take the fork and I bore it up. I want the season to go right through. I want the smoke right through the bone and thing. So the jerk chicken I got nice. So you can see the quality, presentation, and the recipe. So you know, so you like thick and thing and trash it, it should be fork right through. So they are bore it up and thing. Please remember to watch the video to the end. Leave a comment, like and share. Remember to subscribe, please, and thank